cats. So today, I know that I have missed videos, but I'm sorry. I've just been too lazy. School's starting back up and everything. So I didn't post those weeks, so I'm sorry, but we know that I don't post every week. I post, well, I do, but like, if I'm not in the mood, then obviously I won't. So this week, I have created and spent hours and hours working on a Roblox game, and the game that I created is called Block Fighter. I will link it below if you would like to try it. It's not amazing because my code keeps breaking and it doesn't work. So I am just going to have to deal with it. And I don't know why it hasn't been working. I'm not amazing at coding, but I got a few things to work. Like, yeah. So that's what we're going to be playing for this week's video. And by we, I mean me and my brother. He is standing right next to me. Say hello, Matthew.
Hi.
Yep. I don't know if you can see this, but I have hoarded toilet paper rolls for crafting purposes. And you will probably be seeing that in an upcoming video. Toilet paper rolls. Little hint. Tons of crafts you can do with toilet paper rolls. Trust me, I love toilet paper
Can I ask you a problem?
What?
I can't drive on the road.
That's a little preview. So we are going to get into this, and I'm going to do a screen recording. So I am most likely going to be voiceovering this. It depends. I can't figure out how to set up music on my own thing, so it's not copyrighted. So I don't know. It just kind of depends. So let's get into the video. It's me. My sound didn't work, and it didn't record, so we get to listen to me voice over Candace. So hello, friends. Welcome. This is my game, Block Fighter. I ended up changing the name to Block Fighter /RP, which stands for role playing, which means that you can like role play. And I have a lot of people who have visited my game. I'm actually very, very, very proud of my game. And I have my max visitors at 10, so many people can come into the server at a time. My genre is all, because I don't really know how to label it. I have donation, super speed, jump boost, gun. I actually had a few more, but trying to get them to work. As I said, my coding isn't amazing, so I kind of have to look a lot of stuff up, and I don't really know how to code. So yeah, I'm extremely proud of this. So we're going to go ahead and play this. I've actually had a few different people play this game, so thank you so much to everyone who has played this and helped me out. So my brother bought a private server, so I'm going to join his server. I love this. I edited this photo actually, so I'm very proud of this. Ooh, we are now loaded into my world. This is my avatar. It's not amazing, but I'm working on it. And I'm trying to earn more Robux by getting people, like, not forcing, but when people buy my stuff, I get the Robux. So right now I have a speed boost and jump boost because I'm the creator, so this is how fast I can go. And I can jump extremely high. And this is really cool. But the thing is, I've updated my game a ton from here. So I'm going to quickly show you a few of these things, and then, yes, shout out to everyone who's on this leaderboard. My brother Matthew has been playing for a very long time, so I've actually added a ton more to this game, and it has had a huge update since you've seen it, and I fixed all of the glitches and stuff that was going on that you see right now, and pretty much it's all fixed. I didn't add too much more. I did quite a bit, but you will see in this that lots of things are glitched. I fixed the glitches, and I added a lot more, and I added neighborhoods, which I talked about when my sound was on. Oh, and I'm stuck. So I added a neighborhood, I added a ton more road, and I fixed the base plate because it wasn't standing there. I added more houses. So this is why this is kind of... Wait, what? How did you just teleport? Did he use the teleporter? Because he doesn't have speed or jump boost. Anywho, I have updated this game a ton, well, not a ton, but quite a bit since you have seen me playing on it right now. And yeah, oh my gosh, there's a car stuck in the road. Well, there are cars. There are a lot of different car options. Oh, I just died. But you have to be on computer, sadly, to use them. So I will look into it, figure out, and see if I can find cars that you can use just on like a cell phone or an iPad or whatever. Those types of things. So I have a swimming pool. It started off with me just creating a fighting arena because this is what I wanted my game to be. But then I kind of wanted to make a little something for everyone. So now it's kind of like a role-playing and fighting game. I know that those aren't really things that go together, but I really like my game and I'm proud of myself. Sure, it's taken me like forever to code, but it's okay. Lots of YouTube tutorials later, and here we are. Wait, he just disappeared again. Okay, I think he glitched himself, and I'm just gonna kill him. Oh, I'm not gonna kill him. I'm going to open, this is a one-way door, so you can't leave. And my coding was supposed to teleport you into this arena, but of course my coding broke and stopped working. But I do have tons of game passes, and I have fun things that actually I think make this game fun. So if this would be something that you would be interested in checking out, I will definitely leave the link below, and it would mean a lot if you were to check it out. And I pretty much updated, I've been updating it a lot because there's so many things to learn and add, so I add more stuff every now and again. I killed you, Matthew. This is a laser gun that I have. And one thing to point out, the gun game pack, apparently it spawned a gun in everyone's inventory. So if you buy that for 20, you're just going to have a second gun, the exact same gun in your thing. And I don't know how to fix that. So it's just going to be like that until I can figure out how to fix it. And I have a donation board and stuff. Okay, I think he just reset his character. I have a donation board and stuff. Don't feel pressured to donate. It's just all fun. And now I do think we're going to go fight. Come on, Matthew. Let's go fight. Yes, we are heading to the fighting arena. I have a teleporter, so then you can teleport into the arena. And basically, the name of the game is that you got to hide. And tons of people try to attack each other, and then last one standing wins. Currently, I am working on adding a currency to the game, so you can buy possibly like houses and cars and stuff. And then with that currency, I'm thinking about adding daily rewards if possible, once again, because I can't code. And then with those currencies, you can buy like cars and stuff, as I said. And then with Robux, you can buy those money and currencies. So this stuff is all extremely hard. But thank you to everyone who has been playing and helping me out. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, and those swirly silver things, those kill you. So stay away from those, because those will kill you. And I don't think there's any other bugs that I need to point out. I think I pretty much covered it all. But now for the rest of the time, I will focus on talking about the game and stop talking about how I made the game. Okay, so Matthew is in the tank. I'm jumping around trying to find Matthew because I didn't know he was in the tank. Matthew. Oh my gosh, this gun just shot. I like this gun. It's like a machine gun. It's really cool and it kills people super easily. Matthew, come out of the tank. One eternity later. So Matthew finally got out of the car. I got stuck under the car, had to respawn myself. It was pretty much just wild. Oh, wait. I didn't die? Oh, I thought that from jumping from that height you would die. Okay, so now the battle begins, and we are going to try to kill each other. And at this point... I never learn. At this point, Matthew was hiding under there saying that I could never get to him and that I could never kill him. So I took this as a challenge, and I decided that I would prove him wrong. So I came over and I was looking for him. And then I remembered that he was hiding in the tower. So here I am trying to find out how to get into this. And then actually it turns out it was super easy. I just jumped through the bars. And I don't know why. Oh, and then we decided that we were playing only swords, no guns. And then I jumped in and killed him. Easy. 1-0 Katniss. Bam! That's how you do it. When actually, I just remembered one more bug fix that I'm just going to quickly mention, adding onto my list of like 6 million bug things that I need to fix, is the donation board. It was not letting Matthew donate. I'm not sure about other people, but it wasn't letting Matthew donate in the donation board. So if you can't donate in there and you'd like to donate, I made game passes for it. You don't get anything, but the donation boards weren't working, so feel free to use that. I'm just now waiting for Matthew to come back in, and I'm looking for him because he said that he was hiding, and now I need to find him. Matthew, where are you? He's probably in the starting house. Did I call it? Oh my god, I called it. Well, obviously I was here and I played this in real life, but I did call it, so. Finish him. 2-0 Katniss. And that is the fighting part of the game. So you can come hide in this map, or you can just like play hide and go seek. This doesn't really have specific, and coding doesn't specifically limit you to only doing one thing or only doing two things or like whatever. You can literally just do whatever. My friend and his friends really like cars, so I added cars. And in the updated version, there's a full parking lot of cars that you can drive and use. And I'm working on another radio pass, so then you can listen to music inside the cars. So it's a very, very good game, in my opinion. Well, not very good because I'm not very good at coding, but it's good. And I'm proud of it. And I remember the day I was going to do it, my brother came up to me. He's like, "You're not trying to code a game, are you? It's really hard." And I'm like, "Okay, well, bet. I'm going to try." So 6 million YouTube videos later, 6 hours later, we have this. And yeah, very hard. I do recommend because it's really fun to create a new game. But if you have no patience and you don't like it when you fail, it's just not trying it, because this is all about trial and error. So for the rest of this time, I think me and Matthew, we were just kind of hanging out and testing. So I will cut until I can find something that we're doing is interesting. Here I am after dying a million times later. I'm respawning now. This actually took me a lot of footage to get through before I actually found something interesting. Oh, someone joined our server. Allie J 222559. Shout out to you if you've seen this video, and I make it my goal to kill her. I don't know why, this is just my personality. Oh, I'm typing something. Oh, I love my keyboard, so yeah, no judging. Do you have speed and jump boost game pass? Oh, because I want to know she actually didn't end up responding to anything I put in chat, but Matthew said that it was one of his friends, so shout out if you're seeing this, and shout out to anyone who was on the leaderboard that saw this, so shout out to you guys. Are you subbed to Gaming Cats? Sadly, she didn't respond. If she probably just thinks that I'm someone random, but if she would have responded, would have said like yes or something, then that would have been really cool, but she didn't respond. I thought she was typing there, but she wasn't. And the last few minutes of footage were kind of just me following her around. And shout out to every single person on this leaderboard. We have Happy Cat, she's one of my friends, and then we have one of Matthew's friends, and then a few of our other friends. So shout out to all of you guys who are playing this and helping support me. Thank you. I really appreciate it. And now she's using the machine gun, and this is where Matthew gets killed, and she destroys one of the cars. And I was checking to see if I had any emotes because girl power. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe, and if you subscribe, leave a comment down below that you subscribe because I read all of your comments and I comment back. And if you like to try this game, please do. I will have it linked below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye! Slight disclaimer, I know that this week's video isn't the most entertaining or interesting, but I will make up for it with next week's video, so make sure to stay tuned.